This 2007 Holiday Rambler Neptune 3.6 PDQ is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Holiday Rambler is 37 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 4, LP detector, TV, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, refrigerator, smoke detector, skylight, external shower, auxiliary battery, TV antenna, and 95 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bedroom. This 2007 Holiday Rambler Neptune 3.6 PDQ is built on a Roadmaster raised rail chassis RR4R chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.